Action.
Hello everybody and welcome back to yet another little New Year's video.
Rocket.
Fireworks. Rocket. So I thought in this little video I'm gonna do something special for you guys. I'm going to talk about the fireworks I got for this year with my friend, of course. We got some small crackling balls. My cameraman obviously loves balls. It's like the green ones that it's just like cracks, sparks. It's really fun. We got some Smatter Turbo. I have no idea what that is. I think it's just like small, like the crackling balls. We got colored pearls, fire stars like boom, 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 something like that. Crackling bees. We got some more boxes of this one. Blinking bombs. We got a street wheel. Turn and fires works. We're just going through the small stuff first, then we're going to bigger and bigger stuff. We got Camellia Flower, another one. We got Magic Whip. Oh, here I think it's like
Tomtebloss.
Incense. Either it's like incense or it's like Tomtebloss.
Where's Tomtebloss called?
Tomtebloss is something called like I don't know what they call it. Sparkling pin. You light it and it sparkles. We got some Sun Street, spin really fast too.
How fast?
Like this. Monster Bomber.
Rockets.
Also known as rockets to my friend obviously. Got a bigger packet of them. More crackling balls. Here's the crackling bombs. We got mini bees. Tequila Sunrise. Oh, we got more bombs, everybody. More crackling balls.
A lot of balls.
He said my cameraman and my second cameraman also love balls, so everybody loves balls. So now we're coming up to the little more heavier stuff. Gold bar. That's 20 assorted golden shots. Yeah. We got a Turbo Knall. Turbo Bang. 16 shots. Oh, here's a heavy one. Oh my god. This is a monster mix. 30 mixed shots. Here we have some 35 caliber monster bombs. It's like an air bomb and it goes really high and it bangs really loud. Here we have a Svea mix. So it's like a Swedish mix of Swedish meatballs.
I think Svea is the brand of the fireworks, but yeah.
Oh, it's not food?
Food. You can try it, eat it.
Okay. Together we have like over 100 shots. And here we have the, oh my god.
God damn, that's heavy.
Oh. Mega bomb. And this heavy. It's like,
it says
oh
rocket.
yeah, it's heavy. It's like, yeah, you got like, I think it's 9 shots or something. 8 shots. I have to put it on. You got 8 shots in this, and these are not to play with.
Is that everything?
Yeah, this is everything. So,
did you buy the children edition?
Oh. No, we got a lot of bombs.
Okay.
So light this up now?
Yes.
Yeah.
So we take this and we push it, and then it goes like.
Just open everything and put it on fire inside.
Yeah, inside your butt. So, thank you everybody for watching this little firework video. I just want to say cheers. Thank you for watching. You know who you are, and I love you. You are awesome. Goodbye.
The day it played and it pleased the Lord, but you don't really care for music, do you? Well, it goes like this: the fourth, the fifth, the minor fall, the major lift, the baffled king composing hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. proof. You saw her bathing on the roof, her beauty in the moonlight.